Hello student, welcome to my online classes. Myself Jyoti Singh from Shivaji Group of Institute. In previous audio, we did the revision of catalyst, what is catalysis and of catalysis. Now today I am going to start properties of catalysis and two new terms of this chapter, that is what is catalytic promoters and what is catalytic poison. So now I am going to start properties of catalyst. Number one property is catalyst cannot start a reaction. Reaction may start even in the absence of catalyst. Student, all you remember the decomposition of KClO3, potassium chlorate. In the absence of MnO2, it decomposes to give O2, but reaction rate is slower. So, MnO2 is not start a reaction. It only affect the speed of reaction, that is the rate of reaction. It means catalyst only affect the rate of reaction. Catalyst cannot start a reaction. Okay. Number second property is in a chemical reaction, mass and chemical composition is not changed of catalyst, whereas their physical state may be changed. And very important property is a catalyst decreases the activation energy. So now I am going to explain what is activation energy. Activation energy is the minimum amount of energy which is required by an inactive molecule to get converted into active one. It means all the reactant molecule does not convert into product. Only active molecules of reactant converted into product. And the minimum amount of energy to converted inactive molecule to active one is this energy is known as activation energy. And the value of activation energy is definite for a particular reaction. So these are the important properties of catalyst. Now next topic is what is catalytic promoters. Catalytic promoters are those substances which does not act as a catalyst but they increases the efficiency working process. They increases the efficiency of catalyst. For example, formation of ammonia by Haber's process. In this process, nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas react to give ammonia in the presence of iron catalyst, and in this reaction molybdenum also take. So in this reaction MO does not act as a catalyst, only iron act as a catalyst in Haber's process. MO enhances the efficiency of catalyst, that is the iron. And what is the mechanism behind this? Listen student, promoters occupies some position in between the particles of catalyst and increases the surface area of catalyst. What promoters do? Promoters increases the surface area of catalyst. So what happened? As a result, concentration means quantity. Concentration of reactant is increased on the surface of the catalyst. As a result, reaction rate is faster. So this is the mechanism of catalytic promoters. How can they work? They increases the surface area of catalyst. Okay, now we move to what is catalytic poison. So it is just opposite to catalytic promoters. Catalytic promoters increases the efficiency of catalyst, so it's opposite to catalytic poisons are those substances which decreases or almost destroy the efficiency of catalyst. For example, in the formation of Haber's process, anyhow, if carbon monoxide and hydrogen sulfide is present, then these two act as a catalytic poison for iron catalyst, and these two decreases the efficiency working of iron catalyst. How they decrease it? What is the mechanism behind this? So this is due to the adsorption of poison molecule on the surface of catalyst rather than the reactant molecule. It means they have highly tendency to attached with catalyst rather than the reactant molecule. As a result, poison molecules attached with catalyst and reactant molecule does not attach with catalyst surface of the catalyst. As a result, efficiency of catalyst is decreases or almost destroy. But student, this poisoning is temporary. Catalyst regain its catalytic activity when the catalytic poison is removed. Okay, so this is all about the catalytic poison, catalytic promoters, and the mechanism of catalytic promoters and poison, and the properties of catalyst. I hope you understand well what is catalytic promoters and poison. Promoters enhances the efficiency of catalyst, and poisons destroy the efficiency of catalyst. Okay, in next audio I will start theories of catalysis. I give you one question, student. What is the difference between inhibitor and catalytic poison? Okay. What is the difference? Inhibitor means negative catalyst. So inhibitor are those catalysts which decreases the reaction rate of reaction, which decreases the rate of reaction. And catalytic poisons are those substances which decreases or almost destroy the efficiency of catalyst. I hope you understand well. Okay, thank you.